Alright guys, today we're featuring a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's got 24,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner, still under factory warranty. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's this really pretty octane blue color. But guys, this thing is really nice, okay? It's a used car, but it smells, it looks like a brand new one, okay? It's in great shape. Alright, we'll make our way across the back of the vehicle. We do see that it's got backup camera, 2.4 liter. But back what I was saying, this thing is like a new car. I mean, it smells like a new car. The miles are low, but it's going to be priced like a used car. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this vehicle, not a scratch on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and take a look on the inside here. Alright, it is equipped with black cloth. Kind of this really cool design pattern right here on the insert. Black trim with the beige stitching. Okay, everything looks really good with the seats. Okay, no issues whatsoever. Alright, this Mitsubishi even smells like a new car. Still got that new car smell to it. Alright, passenger seats in great condition. It's going to be automatic. Alright, CD player. Okay, it's got this really cool carbon fiber trim along the CD player here. We'll go ahead and turn it on in a second, let you see it. Leather wrapped steering wheel with this really nice black trim here. Okay, it's got Bluetooth steering wheel audio controls. We'll go ahead and take a look at the mileage while it's up right here. We got 24,493 miles on it. Alright, we got it running now. Went ahead and turn the lights on for you to see the display here. But everything looks really cool. Alright, nice big screen there. CD player. Go ahead and engage the rear view camera for you, and it's actually located up here in the mirror, so you can see that there. Let's see, it gets you a better angle on it so you can see it. But it's actually quite a large screen for this mirror, so that's really nice. Alright, once again, it's got 24,000 miles on it, but everything is just in great shape in this vehicle. It's got the nice thick rubber floor mats in it as well. And I'll go ahead and slide out of the seat here to let you see the driver's floor mat. So we'll just go ahead and slide back here. Go ahead and let you see that. It's that nice thick rubber floor mats. Right. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat back here. Open that up for you. Alright, everything looks really good back here. Cloth is, it hardly looks like anybody's even sat in these seats. Everything is in great shape. All right, back here it has those rubber floor mats back here as well. Go ahead and give you a view of the dash and the console, kind of give you the driver's eye view, let you see the layout. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look back here in the trunk area. All right, it's got this really nice rubber mat back here as well. The carpet back here is in great shape. Alright, that's going to keep your carpet clean. Go ahead and step to the side a little bit so you can see the depth on how much storage you're going to have back here. Okay, everything looks really good back here, really clean. Now let's go ahead and flip these seats down right here. So give you a little more storage back here. And all you do, let me show you, there's a little arrow right here on this tab. You just push that tab down and the seats come up. There we go. And you can see how much that opens it up back here. Alright, we'll do it to this one too. The button's going to be right here. Push that down all the way, and look how much that really opens it up for you. Alright, I'm going to get on this side of the back seat just to be able to show you better. I don't know if the lighting was bad. It's kind of dark in here with this black interior. But I just want to show you this back seat one more time, just to let you see what good condition this is in. And I'll go ahead and give you a shot of the passenger's front seat as well, and let you see what great shape it's in. I mean, really guys, it looks like nobody's even sat in these seats before. There's not even a crease in them. Alright, there's your nice rubber floor mat. A shot of your dash and console from the passenger side. Your door panel. Alright, you got 18-inch alloys on this Mitsubishi. Really sharp looking alloys. Got the nice black inlays right there, really sharp. Okay, tires are great, plenty of tread there, plenty of depth. Alright guys, once again, this is a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's got 24,000 miles on it. It's still covered under factory warranty. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. Come down, check this thing out. It's a beautiful ride, well maintained. This is like a new car for the used car price. Alright, come down, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.